Multi-award-winning music producers The Fanatics have pulled on dancehall heavyweight Popcaan for their latest single, These Streets Don't Love You. The trio based in London teamed up with British rapper Millions and then Popcaan to release the song and the island street life-filled visuals over the weekend. The song samples Tanya Stephens on the reggae chart less than 24 hours, adding that it's all beautiful. It's just asking fans to put in the support to send it straight to #1. In speaking with E-Prime, I-Octane, who has been celebrating his 90 pounds drop to a healthier life, says the album is for the females who supported him throughout his weight loss journey.
How this album come about, it's just that I started a weight loss journey from the 18th of November 2020. I was like 256 pounds at that time, and I said I'm gonna do it publicly, because what happens in society right now, we have a lot of people we showing the end product of whatever they're doing, they're not show the journey. It's a great accomplishment for so I just decided I'm gonna dedicate the album. I like not just a love song album, it's a rounded album. You know what I mean? It's rounded album from all different angles.
I-Octane was in Florida for the weekend with a full house for the album release launch party. And Canadian rapper Drake was today announced as Billboard's Artist of the Decade. Drake beat out 9 other top artists for the coveted award, including Post Malone, Rihanna, Bruno Mars, Justin Bieber, Adele, Ed Sheeran, Maroon 5, Taylor Swift and Katy Perry. The pop star will receive the honor at the 2021 Billboard Music Awards later this month. Drake first appeared on Billboard charts back in 2009, scoring 6 Hot 100 #1s and 9 Billboard 200 #1s with his debut 2010 studio LP Thank Me Later. He most recently reigned with 2019's Care Package. According to Billboard, Drake already holds the titles for the most Billboard Music Awards of all time with a tally of 27 trophies. Back in March, the Sixth God also became the first artist to have 3 songs debut at #1, 2, and 3 on the Billboard Hot 100 after releasing his chart-topping 3-pack Scary Hours 2. I'm Daedran reporting for E-Prime.